Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Latasha back again. So I just took the camera up because I wanted to show you my hair. So guys, I've washed my hair. Obviously, well, it's not obvious if you haven't seen my video, but if you have seen my first video where I said that I'm trying to do starter lock. So for the first time I've actually washed it properly. Actually, I mean, I've washed it before, but I've literally just done the scalp and not the actual hair itself, because according to research, they said if you didn't start a lot, then you need to wait 4 weeks. However, I can't wait 4 weeks without washing my hair. I need to wash my hair, guys. So yes, I came on camera looking a little bit tired because I've literally just finished my 12-hour shift, just have a shower, and guys, I've washed the hair. I've partially blow dried. It's a little bit wet. This is what it's looking like at the moment. Yeah, so I was watching a YouTuber last night, or should I say early this morning, and I can't remember her name, but she was saying that obviously wash your hair properly, because obviously, then the lock itself will get fluffy and it will contract and do whatever. And I was like, yeah, that makes sense. So listen, people, I went in and I washed. It felt so, I wish I'd film it for you guys. It felt so good. But I am gonna be doing a wash routine. It's just a normal routine. Like, I don't go through the whole thing. It's just literally, all in one: shampoo and conditioner, lather it up, wash it. Try not to kind of mess with the lock itself, but try to focus more on my scalp, get it nice and clean. As I said, I have moisturizer. Yeah, I might put some Jamaican black castor oil, or I just use my normal Dax Pomade just to moisturize my scalp and my hair. But guys, it's coming along. Yeah, I think it's coming along. My face so biggie. But yeah, guys, I think it's coming along. I don't know where this spot. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Jesus face. But yeah, under my eyes a bit shiny because of course I put my oil on. Working on my under eye, working on my skin overall. But guys, I'm here for the hair. Okay, I've partially blown. It's a little bit damp. I'm gonna oil it up and stuff. And yeah, guys, this is where I'm at with it. Oh my god, I'm actually happy. I can't wait for it to like grow in and look good and have length. And yeah, guys, it feels nice. It feels nice. It feels really good. It feels really nice. Feels really nice. Feels nice. It feels nice. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm gonna come back, and update on the next bit with my hair, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.